happening today, guys? I'm just ready. I'm just waiting for Kyle to know. He should be coming in any minute now. We're going out today. I have no idea where, as usual. Yeah, that's basically it. And also, I'm thinking of doing like a... See, like, when I can't... I'll vlog as well, right? But, like, when I don't have enough footage to vlog, I'll, like, still record bits and then put them all together and then talk a wee bit and then let you see the clip where we went, what's been happening, and same with the next clip and the next clip, all that stuff there. So, yeah, that's me. He's just there. So, guys, if you haven't already, like and subscribe.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit.
Right, so when the cut off 3 we run, and then we just dive in it.
Right, we're done fucking straight.
Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking.
We're walking slow.
My moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, shootings are strong, wish I today and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get over and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone and I'm moving along. I don't pick up the phone with my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will, everything I'm working on, every night another song. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock, nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want just so I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring, I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master, I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, don't be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat. I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along. They gon' notice when I'm gone.
So nice.
Oh, they are nice. I think I've just peed my pants. I don't know if you can see, but there's four left now. I know, the smell of manure. You probably can't see, but there's horses there.
That's Dalton.
Dalton?
Dalton. That's Dalton, the black one right there.
Can't even-
There's no brown ones here. Look, it's coming. What's that? Do you want some more? Don't eat the jacket.
The other horse is coming over now.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's Taffy.
Yeah.
Hi, Taffy. This is like my favourite jumping horse. Hi, gorgeous.
I'm guessing they're all for like that's the jumping horse, but what's this one then? This
I've
one over
not
here.
seen this one. I've not been here. This is Taffy. This is like my ultimate horse. Gorgeous. He threw me off once.
Seriously?
Yeah, threw me off. But back on. Yes, right. My dad told me something.